Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Twitter app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Twitter, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will enter to the window of Pinterest and TikTok here, and we click. Then this page, we click on force stop and we click OK. After that, we click storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps, then you can go to Play Store, you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.